Welcome to linuxhelp.com. Today topic is how to install and configure Quick CMS and Fedora 34. Small introduction of Quick CMS. Quick CMS is a free content management system software. It is an easy to install software and it does not require programming and design knowledge as it has pre-made template to choose from. This tutorial covers the method to install Quick CMS and Fedora 34. Now I am going to check my OS version. Use this command cat space/etc/os-release. Press enter. This is my OS version Fedora 34, and then I am going to install Quick CMS package using wget command. Press enter. Package is installed. Now I am going to make directory. Use this command. Press enter, and then I am going to unzip downloaded Quick CMS package. Mention here directory name -t space/var/www/quick. Press enter, and then I'm going to give owner name and group name for this directory. And I'm going to give permission to this directory. And then change directory to this and list out all, and change directory to quick list out. And I'm going to change database directory using this command. Press enter, list out here ls-la, and then I'm going to open PHP configuration file. Use this command. Enter here your Gmail ID and password. This is login detail for Quick CMS. Then save and exit. And then I'm going to open virtual host configuration file. Use this command. Create this virtual host configuration file inside like this and save and exit. I'm going to open host entry file. Enter your IP and domain name here. Then save and exit. Now restart your Apache. systemctl restart httpd. Go to the browser, enter here your domain name. See, our quick CMS is loaded. Now you are enter your browser /admin.php. Press enter. See, CMS login page is open. Now enter your email. Then enter your password. Then click here and login. Our quick CMS is successfully installed on Fedora 34.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.